Morjim.
Yes.
Come to Goa quickly.
Quickly, yes. Yeah. So these are our new friends from Kazakhstan, and they're welcoming you here to Morjim and to this beautiful beach. Okay, guys.
Okay.
Hey guys, welcome to my channel. In today's video we are here in Morjim beach, and right now it's in the middle of the day. It's very hot and humid, but it's still very beautiful. And why I came to this place is because it's a really beautiful place, and there's something interesting about this beach. So this is a turtle nesting ground, so loads of turtles come to lay their eggs on this beach. So when you're walking around, definitely be careful, and it's very beautiful over here. I can see a lot of foreigners who are on the beach. A lot means there's quite a few, and if you can see behind me, there are quite a few shops open. So if you want a coconut water or something like that, these shops are open. So let's go and check out this beautiful beach. And if you're new to my channel, I'm a local Goan. I do videos here. If you want to subscribe. So guys, we are entering the beach now, and as you can see, this is a turtle nesting site, so you cannot take your vehicle on the beach. So let's look at this over here. Wow, so olive ridley sea turtles, endangered species, so they come to lay their eggs on this beach. And as you can see, it's already starting to look beautiful here. So wow, it's pretty humid, but let's go around and see what they have on the beach. So as you can see, there are some foreigners here at the moment, and there are loads of these dustbins or bins, is because they clean the whole beach. Literally, they clean the whole beach. So as you can see, the beach is clean. The sand is not the cleanest at the moment, but in a few days it should be clean. So the turtles, they lay their eggs in these areas over here, which is where the turtles are. If you're lucky, sometimes you get a chance to see them. And as you can see, the beach is quite big. After a few days, so we'll just look at the sand at the moment. So the sand is quite coarse. It's quite soft actually, the sand, but it's quite, I don't know, it's quite brownish or blackish kind of color. So yeah, let's look at the beach around us here. So as I told you, there are some foreigners here. There is a lifeguard at all times. So we'll go onto the beach and check it out. So of course I'm going to do some beautiful drone shots as well and show you this beautiful place. So as I'm just walking around, I will show you what's happening here. So in the distance you can see there are fishing boats. So there's a lot of fish over here. If you want to catch some fish, you can even walk up in the water here and start fishing, and you'll catch quite a lot of fish, because my uncle used to come here before and he caught a lot of fish here. So definitely a good place to come. As you can see over there in the distance, that side is Siolim, and it's a really nice place to go out that side also. If you're looking for cheap accommodation in Goa, if you're for a long-term stay, that's the place to stay. In the distance over there is Mandrem, okay, Mandrem, and lots of other beaches. And we have, of course, there's no water sports or anything on this beach. So if you're coming here, it's basically just to chill at the beach. You can swim here, and as you can see, swimming is allowed at the moment. So if you come here, definitely a nice place to visit. People are actually swimming, so that's a good sign, and it's all foreigners actually. So there's about 8 to 10 foreigners swimming right now. So we are going to take the drone and check out this beautiful beach, guys.
I'm hypnotized by
So guys, that is it from here in Morjim Beach. If you want more videos like this, definitely subscribe to my channel, and I'll be bringing you lots of videos every day basically from Goa, guys, and I'll be showing you some incredible spots. So, and I will keep on updating as well. So please do like and subscribe.
watching.